everybody, welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. It's me here again with another new video. We are in Marvelous Beauty World, so we always bring you nice beautiful stuff. Today we have an interesting video, as you can see from the title. Today we're gonna do a smoothie, a health smoothie. You know, if you are a slim lady, so you want to add a little bit of, you know, body, you know, you want to have like a curvy shape, you have to have like nice boobs. So on this video, with this smoothie, you will just gain it naturally. You don't have to go through the operation or anything. So if you are interested on how I'm gonna do it, keep watching. Thank you. So for our smoothie today, we need bananas. So we've got our lovely bananas here. You know, our banana have nice, you know, essential vitamins and nutrients there. So we've got our peanut butter. So if you don't have peanut butter, you can use nut instead, so it's fine. We've got avocado here, avocado, and then we've got our creamy milk. So you use any milk, you know, of your choice, but it has to be creamy because all of that cream, you know, nice essential things you need, you know, to concentrate on yourself, to gain weight where you want it, you know. And then we've got our pure honey. So make sure the honey has to be the natural one, the organic one. Yeah, so let's get started. So with this smoothie, it's gonna help you to look nice and curvy, have nice body. So I'm not a doctor, I'm a beautician, so this is just my own experience. You know, I always try my juice, my smoothie, and then when it works well to me, so I do share it in my channel. Yes, so let's get started. So we need a blender because we're gonna blend everything here in this blender. So make sure your hands is clean, you know, you wash your hand before you start touching your food. You don't want any bacteria around. My hand, I wash my hand before I start. So let's get started. I'm so excited. You know, you guys, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe, like this video, because I know that this video is going to be interesting for you slim girls, you know, who are struggling to gain weight, you know, on particular part of your body. So now I'm just gonna cut the bananas. Banana is here, so yeah, I'm just cutting the banana. So to be easy to be blended, so we just put our bananas in our blender. Yeah, so the next ingredient is avocado. You know, avocado really nice, rich in all these vitamins. So this juice smoothie, if you try it, girls, trust me, you're gonna have some nice curvy shape, you know, some nice lifted boobs. Yeah, so the next ingredient is avocado. We just put our avocado here. So you will need like a full, you know, spoon of honey. So this kind of spoon that you will need, one of it. A peanut butter. So if you don't have the peanut butter, you can put nut instead. So I've got one, you know, spoon. Oh my god, if you try this smoothie, so you use it like nighttime, because you know nighttime is when your body rests. So when your body is resting, so that's our creamy milk. So we put everything together, and then we're gonna mix it for our smoothie to gain weight in particular place you want. Have some nice boobs, some nice butt, the ingredients together. So we're gonna mix all this together to get our smoothie, our healthy smoothie. So with this healthy smoothie, darling, trust me, if you use it, you know, at least 1 month, 4 weeks, so you'll be seeing, you know, the result. It does work like for skinny girls. Wow, everything is mixed well. See how it looks like, you know, it's nice and smooth. It's like a proper smooth, so no chunky or anything in. Yeah guys, that's how it looks like. It's so smoothie. Trust me, this drink, if you drink it nighttime, honestly, just a full glass like this, so you get all your nice boobs, your hips, you know, your nice body that you always dream to have, just easily. That is just how it looks like. Back here with our smoothie. This smoothie honestly is just a boom, you know. If you are a girl, skinny girl, you want to gain weight on your having some nice boobs, you know, this smoothie is so nice. You just drink it like night time before you go to bed when your body is resting. So you drink it, oh my god, you're gonna see like amazing result. Guys, I want to tell you something important. You know, you can keep the smoothie in the fridge for 3 days. After 3 days, you know, you can just do a new one, because like keeping it for 3 days is good before 3 days or in the 3rd days, because you have all these nutrients and then vitamins. So after 3 days, if you didn't finish it, so you can just throw it away, but make sure you just do the quantity that you'll be able to finish instead of wasting. You know, throwing food away is a waste, is no good. I love you. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I do appreciate. You know, drop us a comment if you ever try any smoothie like this to gain weight on a particular part of your body. Please drop us a comment. We like to know that sharing is caring. I did share mine, so you share yours as well. Let's drink our nice smoothie. You guys, it's not too sweet, it's not too exaggerated, it's just perfect. You're gonna feel all nice, this creamy taste. So let's drink. Oh, this is so nice. Just try it and then, you know, let us what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.